Hey, good afternoon. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Like I said, normally we don't say afternoon. We usually start early morning, but this is our second job today. A real short little drain here. What we're doing, you can see the mud here on the sidewalk. Water comes down the hill and it's just pooling right here. So we're going to put in a small 6x6 catch basin right here at the edge of the sidewalk. You can see our line goes way down here. You can see how deep it is. We're going to trench all the way down, hook up the downspout. Chuck's digging that out. Derek's cleaning out the trench. Paul's running the trencher. We'll come right out to the street. Should work really good. So you can see we set our catch basin. We'll straighten that up. You see our line comes down. We're going to use a saw here, cut it off for a T. Paul's going to make a cut on there. Basically, you just lay your T over your pipe. Remember that you got to cut to the inside of the fitting. Make a mark and pull it out, whatever you want to do, and just cut it off. Just cut right through your pipe. Best never to stop. Just keep cutting. Snap on your T. And next we're going to hook up this downspout. So we're going to pull the pipe over here and slide it right up to the bottom of that downspout. Take your measurement. Pull your pipe up a little bit. Cut it right off. Don't stop. Just cut right through it. Perfect. Snap it in place. Put the next piece on. Snap it. Now you can push it on down in your trench, and then all we're going to do now is just lay it all the way down through our trench, step it down into the bottom. We're going to come out, bring this off, bring it on out to the curb. Now we're going to cut it off right here at the curb. We just need a saw. So basically we're just cutting it right off at the curb. I like to make it a little bit long. We can always push it back. We're just going to push it right down into the curb itself. Throw a little bit of dirt, need a shovel. That dirt's just kind of holding it in place. Perfect. So you can see we've got it right up to the curb. All we're going to do now is just cover this up and we're done. Real good project for the do-it-yourself homeowner. Take you about maybe 2.5 hours, 2 hours if you dug it by hand. If you rent a trencher, you can see it takes about 20 minutes.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.